In a scathing rebuke, the Supreme Court of India on Monday came down heavily on Madhya Pradesh Minister Vijay Shah over his derogatory remarks against Colonel Sofia Qureshi, ordering the formation of a special investigation team to probe the FIR filed against him. A bench comprising Justices Surya Kant and N. Koteshwar Singh, referring to video footage of Shah's inflammatory comments, questioned the genuineness of his apology, describing it as a vague and conditional. Justice Surya Kant told Shah bluntly, "The entire nation was ashamed. You were on the verge of using filthy language. You should be ashamed." The court underlined that public representatives must lead by example and speak with responsibility. The bench criticized Shah's apology, where he said, "If I have said this or that," instead of admitting guilty clearly. The court noted this was not a true expression of regret, but rather an evasive justification. Acting on a previous order of the Madhya Pradesh High Court, the Supreme Court directed the Director General of Police of Madhya Pradesh to constitute a 3-member SIT by Tuesday 10 a.m. This team must include an officer of IG rank and at least one women officer. The SIT is required to submit its first report by 28 May. Senior advocates Maninder Singh and Vibhadat Makhija appeared for Shah, who said he was willing to apologize 10 times if his comments hurt anyone, and claimed to respect Colonel Qureshi more than his own sister. An FIR was registered against Vijay Shah on 14th May in Indore. With the court's strong words echoing across the political landscape, this case has become a litmus test for accountability and dignity in public discourse. All eyes are now on the SIT's findings, expected by 28 May.